In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload photos to pCloud. Whether you want to back up your memories or organize your albums, pCloud makes it super simple. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your pCloud app on your computer and then hover to the option that says Uploads. Here, all you have to do is super simple. Okay? You can simply drag and drop your files here or click the Browse option. From here, you can add a folder. Now, I'm gonna use this folder. Okay? I'm gonna click on it because I wanted to back up these photos right here. Select it, and it would take a little while. Now, uploading times may vary depending on your internet connection, so you want to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection and you are not using a VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the uploading times. And once you've done that, all the photos will be uploaded here in the pCloud app. It's super simple, all right? Now, while waiting, I'm going to show you how to upload photos using the pCloud web version. Now, log in using your credentials and click the Go to My Account button because this will forward you to your file manager. Now, I'm going to click the Add button and create a new folder and click the Create option. Since the folder has been added, all you have to do at this point is super simple. We can drag and drop the files, which I'm going to do right now. Okay? All the way here. And as you can see, the status will be shown once all the files has been uploaded to your pCloud web version account. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to upload photos to pCloud. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.